Did you know that Neptune, the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun in our solar system, is about 4.5 billion kilometers away from the Sun on average? That's right. This gas giant, named after the Roman god of the sea, is located at the outermost edge of the solar system, far beyond the asteroid belt and even the icy realm of the Kuiper belt. It's the last stop on our planetary tour, if you will. Neptune's position in the solar system contributes to its cold, windy, and dark environment, which is vastly different from the conditions we experience here on Earth. And although it might be the most distant from the Sun, Neptune is far from the least interesting. From its vibrant blue color to its tumultuous weather patterns, Neptune is a world full of mysteries waiting to be explored. There's a lot more to Neptune than just being the most distant planet from the Sun. Here's a fascinating fact. Neptune was the first planet to be discovered through mathematical predictions, not direct observation. It's a testament to the power of numbers and the precision of celestial mechanics. You see, during the 19th century, astronomers noticed some irregularities, little hiccups if you will, in the orbit of Uranus. These anomalies couldn't be explained by the gravitational pull of the known planets alone, so they started to wonder if there might be another planet lurking in the outer reaches of our solar system. Enter Johann Gottfried Galle, an astronomer who took these mathematical predictions seriously. In 1846, he pointed his telescope towards the predicted location, and there it was, the eighth planet from the Sun, Neptune. The mathematical prophecy had come true, so Neptune was a planet found by math, not by the naked eye. Ever wonder why Neptune is blue? It's all because of its atmosphere. Now, you might think of an atmosphere as simply the layer of gases surrounding a planet, but for Neptune, it's so much more than that. This gaseous envelope is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, but it's the third most abundant gas, methane. That's the real star of the show. Methane is a fascinating molecule that has the unique ability to absorb red light and reflect blue light. It's this reflection that gives Neptune its stunning deep blue color. Picture it. The sunlight reaches Neptune, journeys through its atmosphere, and voila, what was once a white light from the Sun gets transformed into the beautiful blue we associate with this distant planet. So the secret behind Neptune's distinctive blue hue is not some cosmic paintbrush, but a simple chemical reaction. Neptune's blue hue is, in fact, a methane marvel. Hold on to your hats. Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system. Now imagine winds so fast they'd make our most violent hurricanes look like a breezy summer day. That's exactly what's happening on Neptune. The eighth planet from the Sun experiences winds that reach up to 2,100 kilometers per hour. That's over 1,300 miles per hour for those of you who prefer imperial measurements. This extreme wind speed is due to Neptune's high internal heat. Despite its distance from the Sun, it radiates over 2.5 times as much energy as it receives from our star. This heat from Neptune's core drives the planet's weather system, creating its incredibly fast winds. These winds whip around the planet, creating massive storms and complex weather patterns that are unlike anything we've ever seen on Earth. Neptune's winds are a testament to its dynamic and extreme atmosphere. Neptune's atmosphere is a place of great change and activity. The most notable feature, perhaps, was the Great Dark Spot, a storm similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. But unlike its Jovian counterpart, this storm vanished, suggesting a highly dynamic atmosphere, yet the intrigue doesn't stop there. In 2018, the Hubble Space Telescope spotted a storm that resembled a trident. This enormous disturbance was made up of 3 dark vortexes spinning together in Neptune's northern hemisphere. These atmospheric shifts and large-scale storm formations reflect the intense and dynamic nature of Neptune's atmosphere. It's a world constantly in flux, shaped by winds faster than any found in our solar system. So, while we may be familiar with the serene blue image of Neptune, remember that its calm facade belies a turbulent and lively atmosphere. It's a reminder that Neptune's atmosphere is as mysterious as it is dynamic. From faint rings to a moon that orbits backward, Neptune's moons and rings are full of surprises. Let's delve into the intriguing mysteries of Neptune's celestial companions. Neptune's rings, though faint, are an enchanting spectacle. Unlike the bright, icy rings of Saturn, Neptune's rings are composed primarily of dust particles and ice, making them much darker and less prominent. Yet these rings have a mystique of their own. But what's even more fascinating is Neptune's largest moon, Triton. Triton is a peculiar moon as it orbits Neptune in a retrograde motion. This means it orbits in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation. Now that's something you don't see every day. This movement suggests that Triton wasn't formed alongside Neptune but was rather captured by Neptune's gravitational pull, making it a unique member of Neptune's lunar family. Now, if Triton's backward orbit wasn't interesting enough, it's also geologically active. Picture this. Triton is home to cryovolcanoes. Unlike Earth's volcanoes that spew molten rock, Triton's cryovolcanoes erupt with icy material and nitrogen gas. This geological activity creates dark streaks and plumes on Triton's surface, painting a surreal landscape that's a testament to the moon's dynamic nature. And let's not forget about one of Neptune's other moons, Proteus. Proteus orbits close to Neptune's ring system, and the tiny impacts from micrometeoroids on its surface eject material that contributes to a dusty ring known as the Adam's ring. This interplay between moon and ring system is a fascinating example of how celestial bodies influence each other. In the grand theater of the cosmos, Neptune's moons and rings perform a mesmerizing ballet, each moon with its unique characteristics, and the faint rings with their understated elegance add to the allure of the distant blue gas giant. Neptune's moon system and faint rings are a cosmic wonder to behold. Despite everything we know, Neptune still holds many secrets. Our understanding of the distant blue planet is far from complete, as its mysteries continue to captivate and bewilder scientists. Neptune's magnetic field, for starters, is peculiar. Instead of being aligned with the planet's rotation axis like Earth's, Neptune's magnetic field is significantly tilted and offset from the planet's center. This anomaly results in a magnetic field that is markedly different from other planetary magnetic fields, and it has scientists scratching their heads, wondering what causes such a unique arrangement. Neptune's year, the time it takes to orbit the Sun, is also incredibly long. It's a staggering 165 Earth years. This means that since its discovery in 1846, Neptune has only completed one full orbit around the Sun. This vast orbital period presents challenges in understanding Neptune's seasonal changes and weather patterns. Contrasting its long year, Neptune's day is surprisingly short. It takes Neptune just about 16 Earth hours to complete one rotation. This rapid rotation contributes to the extreme weather conditions observed on the planet, including winds that are the fastest in the solar system. The extreme cold on Neptune is another of its many enigmas. As one of the coldest planets in the solar system, surface temperatures can drop to a chilling -218 degrees Celsius. Despite the extreme cold, the planet experiences dynamic weather patterns, including large storms and bright clouds, adding to the list of Neptune's paradoxes. And lastly, despite our best efforts, Neptune is not fully discovered. Its vast distance from Earth makes it challenging to explore and study in detail. With current technology, it takes a spacecraft over 12 years to reach Neptune from Earth. The mysteries it holds, from the composition of its core to the behavior of its rings and moons, remain largely untapped. Neptune, the farthest gas giant, is a world of mystery waiting to be fully discovered. The secrets it holds offer promise for future exploration and a deeper understanding of our fascinating universe. Neptune, a stunning blue gas giant, is the last sentinel of our solar system. Its distance from us and its dynamic atmosphere have made it a challenge to study, but every discovery we make about this distant world is a thrilling revelation. From its discovery through mathematical predictions to its rapid winds and the dynamic Great Dark Spot, Neptune never ceases to captivate us. Its rings, though faint, and its moon Triton with its retrograde motion and geysers add to the planet's intrigue. And let's not forget the peculiarities of Neptune's magnetic field, its cold temperatures, and its unique atmospheric conditions. Each of these aspects contribute to Neptune's charm and mystery, making it a fascinating subject in the realm of space exploration. While we've learned a lot about Neptune, it remains a mysterious world, a testament to the vast unknown that waits for us in the cosmos.